Hi, I'm Mike Gubby, founder of iSeekBlinds. For over 20 years, I've been helping tens of thousands of customers achieve amazing results with DIY plantation shutters. Now, DIY plantation shutters can be daunting at first, but don't worry, we've made it simple. With our step-by-step guides, free resources, and awesome support, you'll be measuring and installing like a pro in no time. So let's get started. For inside mount plantation shutters, you'll need 65 mils depth inside the window reveal, and that'll just make sure that your blades are able to open and close freely. So let's start by measuring the width at the top and the center at the bottom and record the smaller size. Then we're going to measure our drop from our left side and our center and our right side, and we're going to write down the smaller size. Now, if you don't have 65 mils depth inside the window reveal, then we have to mount the shutter as an outside mount plantation shutter. Now, the way we measure the width is at the top and the center and the bottom, and we record our smaller size. Now, when it comes to the drop, we measure from the top of the architrave to the bottom of the architrave on the left and the center and the right-hand side, and we record our smaller size. Now, a direct mount plantation shutter means that there's no frame. We just get the panel and we mount it straight into the side of the window recess. It's clean, modern, perfect for side lights and open plan living. This is an inside mount L frame, and it's our most popular installation method. It adds this nice little light block that goes around the L frame itself. It's really simple to install and it gives you a flawless finish. Z frames are your best friend for outer square windows. They wrap around the recess onto the wall, giving you a flush and forgiving fit. Now, if you want a plantation shutter to act as a room divider, or you don't want to drill into bathroom tiles, then a U channel might just be for you. The small channel goes at the bottom, the large channel here fits at the top, and we just pop the panels in like a sliding window. If we can't put the plantation shutter inside the reveal, then we have to use an outside mount L frame. Now, this L frame wraps around the outside edges of the architrave, and what it does is it just brings the shutter panel forward so the blades can open and close without any obstruction. So when it comes to measuring for plantation shutters, I've had two golden rules now for 20 years. Less is more, and you must follow the window. So at iSeekBlinds, we've come out with this layout chart so you can visualize what each one of those layouts are going to look like in your window and ensure you come out with the best outcome. Now, if you've got 3 or more panels, then you need to bring in a T-post. And as you can see in this layout just here, we've got a T-post 1 and T-post 2, and that's exactly where we're able to hinge panel 2 and panel 3 from our T-post. Now, to strengthen a shutter panel that's greater than 1600 millimeters, we need to use a mid-rail, but it's optional below that size. So when it comes to measuring for a mid-rail, we can just center it in the middle of the plantation shutter panel, or if you want to customize it, then if it's inside mount, we'll measure from inside the reveal to the center of the mid-rail. If it's on the outside mount, we'll measure from the underside of the cornice to the center of the mid-rail. Now, doing a custom size will enable us to match a natural break in the window or place the mid-rail where there's an obstruction. So great for privacy and flexibility, a split tilt rod enables us to control one section of blades separately than the other. So when it comes to ordering a frame, we've got two options, 4-sided frame or 3-sided frame. So this is a 4-sided frame here. We've got left, right, top and bottom, and we'll generally use this when we've got a sliding window. This is a 3-sided option. So I've got a left, a right and a top. Now, we'll use that when we've got a winder at the bottom of the windowsill that we don't want to obstruct. So that's everything that you need to know about plantation shutters. But remember, you're not on your own. If you need us, just reach out at any time.